Hey guys, welcome back to your bass lessons. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how you can apply this groove in this song or the same progression you will find out there in a different song, okay? If you're new to this YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. I also do private class lessons. You see the link in the comment section or in the description section below. Click on the link, it will take you direct to my WhatsApp, okay? So guys, grab your bass and let's begin with the tutorial. If in case the groove of this lesson didn't start, it may be due to the copyright issue. So I might remove it, okay? But if you want to watch the groove, you need to watch it. Go to my second channel. I'll link it here, or you see the link in the description or in the comment section below. Okay, the song was played on key C sharp, okay? Okay, so let me first say out the progression. Aye, 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 aye. Aye, 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 aye. Okay, so fa, la, re, so, do. Okay, in numbers 4, 6, 2, 5, 1. Okay, so the groove I applied on that progression goes like this. Okay, so let me break it down for you. So on your fa progression, fa, 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 that is your fa, your root and your octave, okay? So fa, fa. So there's a ghost note over there. Bam, bam. Okay, so fa, fa, 1, 2. Then to your la progression, so la. Okay. Okay, la, la, so la. Dun, dun. Now to your re, re. Okay, so la, so la, re, re. Ghost note 3 times. Now to your so's, you can slide. Okay, so, re, la, so, la. Then you come back to your do. You want to start again. So a passing note, do, re, mi, do, fa, fa. Okay, yeah. So to your re, so, la, re, so. I hope you're getting it. You understand now? The first passing note to start again is da, 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 da. Okay, so I did it this way. Okay, the vibrato is in. Okay, so or. Okay, da, da, da. Then you continue. Okay, so I brought some cool lines into the groove, something like this. Okay, so mi, fa, mi, re to your so. So when you play da, 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 you won't play this again. So you come, what the time you used to play this, play it over here, fa, mi, re. So So fa, fa, mi, re. Okay, fa, mi, re. So mi, fa, re, mi, re. Okay, mi, fa, re, mi, re. Okay, then you come back to your so. So I did a lick over there from my do to my fa. Okay, so I did something like that. Okay, so you see, so da, 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 da. You understand? So here you need to be very fast when you're applying this. You should maintain your timing. Okay, so re mi, re mo, re do. So I did it. I played it this way. The hammer on and the pull off. Okay. So I just plucked once on the first string, then I continue plucking on the second string. Okay. If you say you're plucking every note, this is how it will sound. Okay, so I decided to do the laccato plus the staccato. Okay, so it goes like this: re mi re mo re do, la so mi re do la so fa. Okay, so you understand? Then you continue. You see, so the aye, you can use this, and the normal one, those old times bass line goes like this. Okay, so if you want me to put this in the song and teach you with some cool fills and some cool licks, just let me know in the comment, then I will use this and play in the Aye song. That is if I can do it in the part 2, okay? So now let's continue the groove, okay? So this is where the trumpet came in and it was like a very hot groove. So let me break it down. It is the same progression. So fa to your la, that is what I'm teaching you. Fa, fa, so, si, la. Fa, fa, so, si, la, mi, so, la, la, re. Okay, now to my re. So here you slide to your la. Mi, mo, re, la, fa, mi, re. Then to your, that is, we are on our re. Now to your so, la, re, so. Re, fa, so, la, ti. So you won't play your do. I played do, do, la, so, fa, mo, mi, do, so, mi. Then you continue the same groove. Then I continue the groove. Okay, so I hope you're getting that. Okay, so now let's jump into the ohin in the babetina asasi. So I'm trying with a chi. So and it goes like this. It's the same progression. It's very simple. Okay, so I'll try and teach you some cool things in this groove. Okay, on your fa, fa, fa. Remember your fa, you're playing it twice. That is your root and your octave. So fa, 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 fa. So your fa, fa, and it goes note. Do, re, mi, do, la, do, re, re. Okay. So now to your so. Mi, fa, so, so, re, so, ti, so. So, re, so, do, re, mi, do. So let me teach you how you can apply it and where you are supposed to bring it. Okay, so fa, fa. You see, so when you're on your Re progression, that is where you bring it. Remember, you have to slide. Do, do, fa, so, fa, mi, re. Then you go back quickly. Then you continue. Re, so, ti, so, re, so, do, do. Okay, so you can use this groove in this song, like that means the bass line in this song, and see if you can use this kind of groove or this kind of bass line in another song out there. You just need to know the progression. You understand? Understand the progression very well before you can put in this bass line in that progression. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.